Okay, let us focus on question 163. So here we have two states, state A and state B. We have a lot of people sitting here. So if we want to use the work energy equations, you might ask, okay, we have H, but H for which point? If you consider a line here, you might say the H for this point is different from for this point and this point. So at this, in this kind of questions, we need to find the centroid of mass. So it is like a arc segment. For arc segment, if this angle is 2 alpha, for example, here it's 90 degree, 2 alpha is 90 degree, therefore alpha will be 45 degree. The centroid of mass is placed in the middle line that cut the segment, and the distance from the center is, we call it r bar, which is r times sine alpha over alpha, which is alpha here is pi over 4, because 90 means pi over 2. So 15 times sine pi over 4 divided by pi over 4 is 13.5. You can do it on the calculator now, or I will show you. 15 times pi, or let me do this. Pi over 4, or 45. How much is the sine of this? So sine of pi over 4 is 0.707, and I just press equal. This is this part, 15 sine pi over 4, numerator, divided by 3.14 pi, and then 4 comes up, times 4. It will be 13.5 meter, or you can put 1. So this is y bar. When this is the center, okay? So the distance of the centroid of mass for point B from point A is 2y bar. Let me show you the next slide. This is r bar, sorry, I said y bar, r bar, and here is r bar. R bar can be found from the previous formula, 13.51, okay? And as I said here, we will use this formula now. So we don't have any spring, this term will be 0. Okay, so we will get rid of this term first. But I don't want to delete that. Maybe we will delete this one. So, okay, this will be 0. This will be 0 because we don't have any spring. So an MGHA, where should I put my lines? Line up datum lines actually. I will put it at this point. Okay. Therefore, MGHA will be 0. And we don't have any tension that goes through as 2 pulleys. So this will be 0. And okay, we just have here velocity at point B and velocity at point A. So as I said, y bar will be equal to 13.51. So the good thing is we can just get rid of the m, because we have m here, here, and here. M is the last thing that you need to write it down here. So 2g, g is always positive 9.81, Don't tell me that is negative. No, it's not. And h is, as I said, 2 times 13.5. So velocity at point A, 90 kilometer per hour divided by 3.6. It will be 25. So 25 squared will be 625 divided by 2. 25 times 25 divided by 2, and minus 2 times 9.81 times 13.5 times 2, and the square root will be 9.7, and we will multiply this by 3.6. It will be 35.1. The answer is correct now. Okay,